All right, this video single-handedly changed my whole perspective. I mean, somebody's been a little overdramatic here.
A whole new world.
What is this even? What am I looking at here? Like I know who Tech9 is. And like some gangster. That don't look like gangster clothes. Man, talk about flip flop. Talk about flip. This guy's just a little beyond flip flops. Man, I don't get it. I don't get it, guys. I've never seen anybody dressed like this at the truck stop. Is that what Islam looks like at the truck stop? Is that a prayer mat down? Oh, maybe he's got a prayer mat below him. I don't know. If you've seen one of these, let me know. Wait, that sounded bad. If you've seen someone like this, let me know in the comments. Because that looks like something we want to hear about. I don't know. Let us know.